Hey, it's Evan Duran at Air Raid 23. As you can see, it is insane. Laughlin has performed. Lennox surprised us with a performance. And We Are Leo is on the stage right now. Still have to look forward to Silverline. And that's not even talking about the fact we have 2 shows left. Tonight we're in Newmarket. Tomorrow night we're going to be in Barrie. And then wrapping things up on Sunday night in Huntsville. I am super stoked. It is an amazing concert experience so far. If you've never been to an Air Raid, what's keeping you back from them? Check out Air Raid 24 for sure.